Now guys, we're gonna get the chain the right tension. It needs to be in between 35 and 45 millimeters on its side stand. That's important. So we're gonna put it on its side stand. Yep. Guys, the first thing we're gonna do is loosen the axle a bit. So and that's this. Then we need 2 wrenches. Wait a minute, this one. Locking nut, so screwed it all the way in. So for now, something like that. Way too loose, I think. This side, let's see. Okay, then that's 10. We need a 13 and a 10. Okay, now we're gonna measure it first, because we had the wheel out. It's on the upper engravings, how you say it, on the 3rd spot. 1, 2, 3. And on this side it's the upper level also on the 3rd side. So that's good. So the wheel is already nicely aligned. Now we're gonna pick just a tiny spot in the middle somewhere. I think this is the middle. Then hold the upper of the chain, push it down. It goes now from 9, whoa, to 3. So that's 6. Way too much. We aim for 40 mil. So watch the chain. You don't need too much. It goes very quickly. No. Now it goes. It's here now on exactly 3. In a moment it was touching the 3, and now it's in the middle of the indent 3. Let's see on the other side. Oh, hier is zelfs een beetje te veel van het goede. Hup. Give it a smack. Okay. Wait a minute. Up. And this one also exactly to the middle of 3. Now, that one. Okay. Let's see, guys, where it is. The ruler over there. Then I push it up or down, and it's now 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it needs to be a bit more. But watch. You really don't need to go quick. And on this side the same. Okay. Let's see. That one. Yep. This one. Okay. Okay. Now let's measure it again. It's now 3.5. Wait a minute, 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I can push it into 5, so I'm gonna put it a bit tighter. Watch at the chain. And now it's just a tiny bit more. In a moment, get you closer. we can see it. Now, let's give it another try. I want it to be exactly. Now, let's say 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 40. I'm gonna give it just a tiny bit more. Okay, and on the other side too. That's over there. That's okay. Wow, old mechanic. Now let's see. Again and again. 3.5. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4. Bit more. Yes. Okay. Now it's nicely past 3. And this is also now let's have another look, guys. I think this is the one. This is from 4 and a bit to 1, 2, 3.5. So it's perfectly in spec now. I got my torque wrench. The nut need to be at 100 Newton meters. That's easy. Oh, that's over here. Yes. Up. Yep. Check. Torqued. Oh. So gonna all the way back. Free play, drag, yes. And that's to place it in your toolbox or hang it in your shed. And this one also. Then push it out. The locking nut. Hop. And hop. Lock it. Yes. Torqued. No, not torqued, but tight. Then we go to the other side. Here we're going to do the same. We're gonna push it against the axle, hold it in place, and lock it with the locking nut. Hop, check. Hop, tightened. Wow. Guys, have you seen that tire? Nice one. Okay. Now, guys, I hope you can see it. Over there, it's on here 3, and on the other side, it's also on 3. Yep, job done. So guys, that was my video. Oh, out of the way. How to adjust your chain play. Was it difficult? Nah, not at all. Few tools, my video. You can do it yourself. Save a lot of money also. Because that's what my channel is all about. Doing your own motorcycle maintenance. And I try to show you how easy it actually is. With my videos, if you don't skip things, as I often tell you, hints and tips, things to remind, to pay attention to. So if you skip in my videos, then the chance is that you miss something important. I hope you like this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up, always good for the YouTube algorithm, you know. Hit the notification button also, so when I upload a new video to my channel, you got a notification right away. Now guys, okay. And for now, old mechanic.